Hello, my name is Jorge Andrés Pérez Corredor. I am a student engineer industrial.
Happy work. At the moment to work, I'm the fucker. It is hardware. This emitter is Coed, San Antonio, Cementos, Argos. I am an operator of messenger. Hobby. I work in the mine of stone, limestone. We export limestone for cement, polishing, and limestone steel maker. For Acerías del Río. I'm considered what I am excellent worker. I work with security. My family waits for me in house. My family waits for me in house. Over time, we like to work as a project engineer in the company Acerías del Río with a good salary.